There's a small, fluid-filled dome forming on your heel right now. You didn't design it. Your skin did in a hurry. That clear liquid inside, it is not just water. Your body is building an emergency swimming pool under your skin. And it fills that pool on purpose with plasma. Roughly 1 in 3 hikers develop foot blisters on long treks. Most people pop them. Most people get it wrong. To understand the dome, we start with the friction. Your skin is layered like plywood, glued sheet upon sheet. The outer layer, the epidermis, protects everything beneath it. Below sits the dermis, packed with nerves and blood vessels. Between them runs a seam. Friction attacks that seam. Rub your skin back and forth, and the layers begin sliding. Not on the surface, deep inside where cells tear apart. Scientists call it the split within the epidermis itself. The layers separate, leaving a hollow, empty space behind. Nature hates a vacuum, so your body fills it. Brand studied why our hands and feet break down. He proved that repeated friction, not single blows, does the damage. Plasma seeps from tiny vessels into the new hollow space. It is serum, blood with the red cells filtered out. Clear, straw-colored, and surprisingly clean at first. This liquid is not an accident, it is a cushion. It floats the damaged skin above the raw layer below. The fluid can build in under an hour of hard friction. Inside, the serum carries proteins, glucose, and infection fighters. Sealed skin keeps bacteria out while the floor rebuilds. Underneath the dome, a repair crew is already at work. British teams ran controlled trials on how skin moisture and friction trigger blisters. British studies tested how humidity changes blister formation. Damp skin blisters faster, very wet or very dry less so. That is why sweaty socks are a blister's best friend. Skin moisture near 20% is where friction rises sharply, tests found. Armies have logged marching blisters for over a century. Poorly fitted boots disabled soldiers before enemies ever could. So the military funded serious research into friction and skin. They learned that pressure alone rarely causes blisters. It is shear, the sideways drag that splits the layers. Meanwhile, beneath your dome, new cells are dividing fast. Fresh epidermal cells crawl across the raw wound bed. Within days, a fragile new surface layer forms below. The old roof, the bubble, becomes a temporary bandage. Most small blisters heal within 7 to 10 days. As the floor rebuilds, the fluid is slowly reabsorbed. The dome flattens, the dead roof dries and peels. So popping a blister helps it heal faster. The intact roof is your best defense against infection. Break that seal, and you invite bacteria into an open wound. For most blisters, doctors say leave the roof alone. If it is large and painful, a medical professional may recommend draining it carefully. But keep the roof in place as a natural cover. Clean it, cushion it, and let the pool do its work. A single ill-fitting shoe can cause blisters within 30 minutes. Prevention beats repair. Fit your shoes, dry your feet. That small dome is not a flaw in your body. It is a sealed, sterile field hospital, built in minutes. Next time one forms, you are watching repair in real time.